Carrot, beetroot, and apple juice is a vibrant blend that packs a punch of flavor and nutrition.
It's like nature's energy drink. And let's not forget carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health and gives your skin that radiant glow. When you vitamin A in apples and the beta-carotene in carrots work wonders, preventing premature aging and keeping your skin youthful. And don't forget about digestion and weight loss. The fiber from apples and beetroot aids digestive health, regulates bowel movements, and reduces bloating. Plus, it helps
intense workouts. And let's not forget the apple, adding a refreshing tartness while providing fiber and vitamin C. When you combine these three, you get a juice that not only tastes amazing, but also supports detoxification and improves blood.
Apple juice, beetroot juice, and carrot juice, each one a powerhouse of nutrients, but together, they create a vibrant symphony of flavors and health benefits. Apple juice is not just refreshing, it's packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, boosting your immune system while satisfying your sweet tooth. Then we have beetroot juice, a deep crimson elixir known for its ability to enhance blood flow and lower blood pressure. It's like nature's energy drink. And let's not forget carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene, which supports eye health and gives